Hi, I'm Kay Smith with Lister Hill Library at UAB and Health Infonet of Alabama. I'm going to talk to you about legal issues and concerns you may have about providing health information service in your library. Providing health information is sometimes intimidating to librarians, not because we don't know how to find it, the information that we need, but because we're worried about overstepping our legal and ethical boundaries. After all, we're not doctors, we're librarians. Should we leave this to the healthcare professionals? I'm here to assure you that as long as you take some basic precautions and follow the guidelines I'm going to provide here and in the handouts attached to this tutorial segment, you really have little to worry about. One of the first things you should consider doing, both for service quality and legal protection, is developing clear and consistent policies and procedures regarding health information service. If you look at the sample consumer health information policies and procedures by my own library here at UAB, which are provided as a handout for this tutorial, you'll note that it covers many common situations librarians encounter in health information reference situations. Most importantly, the document should spell out specific situations that would require the librarian to refer the patron to his or her healthcare provider. Another tool to protect yourself with is a disclaimer. Health Infonet of Alabama has a disclaimer which should be included with any health information packet you provide patrons. It's on the Health Infonet brochure, so just including a brochure with the packet will do. The disclaimer simply reminds users that this is a general health information service, not something that can or should take the place of their healthcare provider's advice on their personal medical care. Please refer to the disclaimers handout that comes with the tutorial segment. Here are some other important legal and ethical protections for a librarian providing health information services. Number 1, train your staff. Be sure they understand your library's policies regarding health information questions, and they're prepared for the kinds of health questions they may receive. Remember, as a specialist consultant for this health information library network, Health Infonet, medical librarians here at UAB and at South Alabama are happy to come to your library for some personalized training for your staff. Of course, I also hope that this online tutorial will be used by library staff across Alabama. Next, the medical reference interview is important to make sure you understand the question and respond appropriately and sensitively. Please refer to the reference interview segment of this tutorial. Next, remember that classic warning against providing medical advice. That's good advice. Next, don't try to interpret medical information for your user or even put it in layman's terms for them. Just keep a good medical dictionary on hand and make that available to the user. Next, keep your medical collection current and authoritative. Check out the collection development segment of this tutorial with APLS librarian Annie Brown. I hope this helps ease your mind about providing health information service in your library. Please see the handout on legal issues provided with this tutorial segment. Also, you might want to check out these website links. The ALA Guidelines for Medical, Legal, and Business Responses, and the Connecticut HealthNet Guidelines for providing medical information to consumers. Goodbye.